Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see one strong recommendation done by the All India Net or Set Teachers Association and the National Forum for Quality Education demanding and strongly recommending to make net or set must be mandatory and it should not be exempted to the PhD candidates also. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as immediate notifications to your mobiles, laptops or desktops. So now while coming to the present content of the video, so in Times of India on January 2nd, 2020, it published one article that is scrap exemption for PhD holders from net or set. That means the PhD holders should not be exempted from the net or set qualification. So while entering into the body of this article, you can say that several city teachers under the banner of All India Net or Set Teachers Association and the National Forum of Quality Education have urged or strongly recommended Kasturi Rangan Committee tasked with drafting national education policy to make national eligibility test and state eligibility test as a recruitment exam. So right now it is only the eligibility exam. So these organizations are strongly demanding to make these exams as a recruitment exam. They also demanded that PhD holders shouldn't be given any exemption during recruitment and they be asked to clear the two entrances. So presently, net or set are treated as only eligibility test, while recruitment is 100% based on personal interview of the candidates. Through 2018 regulation, UGC had exempted PhD holders from appearing in NET or SET for their appointment as teachers. Though teachers' bodies had opposed the move, then UGC refused to heed the concern. The NET or SET exemption was not only unfair to 8 lakh qualified candidates across India, but it also led to dilution of research standards the teachers had claimed. So here, why the research has diluted? Because the candidates who are working in the colleges, they got fear that MHRD is announced that from July 2021 onwards, the PhD is mandatory to continue as a lecturer in the colleges. So that's why most of the candidates are trying to take admission in PhD and they are hurrying up to finish the PhD as early as possible. In this process, the research is completely diluting and the research ethics is not properly following. So it is the main reason due to the statement given by the MHRD from July 2021 onwards, PhD is mandatory to the assistant professor. So due to the statement, the huge admissions to the PhD has taken place in so many private universities as well as the government universities, and the huge dilution of research has been done. Even as a national education policy is being framed, the UGC recently wrote to all universities asking them to make its research and publication ethics credit course compulsory for all PhD candidates as a part of pre-registration coursework. So introducing these two courses on publication ethics and misconduct is merely face and an attempt to legalize the temporary exemption to PhD holders from mandatory net or set examinations, said Ramesh N. Zadi, President, National Forum for Quality Education. If PhD is removed as eligibility for teaching positions and promotions, its ethics, standard, and quality will certainly improve, said Kushal Mude, convener All India Net Set Teachers Association. That means MHRD announced that from 2021 onwards, UGC PG plus UGC net is minimum eligibility to get the assistant professor. Minimum eligibility is nothing but a assistant professor level 10, and to get the promotions, the PhD is mandatory. But if the PhD mandatory is removed for the teaching positions and promotions, then the research ethics and the research standards and the research quality will certainly improve. In their suggestions and feedback to the NEP draft committee, both the bodies have pointed out the importance of net or set upheld by different committees between 1983 and 2016. Because the different committees were held in 1983 and 2016, in both these two committees, whoever the committee member is there, they exposed the importance of the net or set. See here, Mehrotra Committee, comprising 18 members, was constituted in 1983, and after comprehensive survey and deliberations, it had prescribed qualifying in NET as an essential condition for recruitment for the post of lecturer in any university or college throughout the country. This qualification was not to be relaxed even in the case of candidates possessing MPhil and PhD at the time of recruitment. These recommendations were introduced in National Education Policy in 1986 after discussion in the Parliament. And the latest comment is that NET exam qualified should be mandatory, as many undeserving candidates can do PhD by buttering the supervisor. In 2007, the Mungekar Committee, in its final report, removed exemptions to MPhil and PhD. TSR Subramanian Committee, comprising 5 members, had submitted its report on evolution of new education policy in April 2016 and had recommended NET or SET as a mandatory for teachers in higher education. The committee noted that there has been improvement in the quality of candidates joining higher education institutions as teachers as a result of NET. So these are the different committee reports, but recently on 2018 UGC regulations, they've given some exemption to the PhD candidates on this NET or SET, so that the All India NET and SET Teachers Association and National Forum for Quality Education have strongly demanding that NET or SET must be made as a compulsory to the PhD candidates also. It should not be exempted to them. It must be mandated to all the candidates who wants to join as a teacher in the higher education institution. That is the first point. And the second point is that they're strongly demanding and recommending that NET and SET must be done as a recruitment exam. It should not be an eligibility exam. So it is a update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel, and for more updates please subscribe, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you.